Most people have never discounted their products properly. And with Black Friday right around the corner, it is important to make sure that discounts are done the right way to maximize profit and drive sales and avoid your product looking cheap. In this video, we are going to teach you how to discount your digital products and services properly for a successful Black Friday sale. Let's get it. So before we dive into our 2 strategies for discounting properly, let's get some common discounting myths out of the way. We have pulled all of this information from SamCart's database and can completely tell you that every single one of the following myths is 100% not true. Myth number 1, your price tag needs to end in a 9 or a 7, like $19.99 or $97. There is not a single distinguishable difference in prices that end in 9s, 7s, 0s, 2s, 5s, 10s, or anything else in between. Myth number 2, discounting higher ticket items like coaching will tarnish your brand. Poppycock. That all depends on how big the discount is. While I wouldn't recommend discounting your stuff by 70%, having small discounts or easier to buy introductory offers for new customers can be a great way to grow your brand, not tarnish it. Myth number 3, there is such a thing as too big a discount. That is a false. Big discounts help people get in the door. And for people who are willing to play the longer game, like we're gonna talk about in a minute, they can be the secret to unlocking a much bigger business. And myth number 4, coupon codes are for cheap products. Absolute nonsense. SamCart's database proves that any page, regardless of price, that has a coupon code in it is a much, much higher percentage rate of conversion, meaning when coupon codes are present, conversion rates go up, period. So listen, we've got 2 strategies when it comes to discounting your Black Friday sale. One that will make you more money now, and one that will earn you more customers than you'll know what to do with. So the first discounting strategy is geared towards maximizing your profits this holiday season. You've had an okay year, and this is the time to go back into the black and pad that bank account. This strategy is focused on using your bundle from the previous Black Friday episode. You've bundled together some awesome products, courses, guides into one mega bundle with a huge total value. So let's say you're selling a course bundle with a total value of $500, but the retail price is, say, $299. Already you've built up some goodwill with your customers, but let's discount that in a major way and bring that down to $150. Now, your marketing brain should kick in and know that you can slap 50% off on your product shot, your email subject lines, your website banner, and even your Facebook ads. It almost feels too good to be true, and since it's an online course, it could probably be pure profit at whatever the cost you decide to charge. And remember that throughout your messaging, add in a little bit of scarcity. This deal won't last forever, and in fact, it really shouldn't. Your Black Friday deal should either end at midnight on Black Friday, or technically into Saturday, right? Or at the very longest, extend it through Cyber Monday. But the point is, any special offer has to have a start date and an end date. All right, the second discounting method is for those of you who are looking to increase your customer base. You're not necessarily concerned about the bottom line this year, but rather you want to grow your customer list. We here at SamCart are firm believers that your customer list is 1,000 times more valuable than any email list or social media following. These are the folks who have committed and voted with their wallets, even if it's just as little as $1. So growing your customer base means that you're going to be less focused on your current customers this go-round. Your main focus is customer acquisition cost, or CAC. What price point could you set your bundle at that will bring in as many new customers while still covering the costs that it takes for you to bring that customer in? If it takes you $25 in Facebook ads to bring one of those sales, then your CAC is $25. And you could even put your bundle at $25 and agree to just break even on this very first transaction. You get a paying customer in the door and can cash in on that person down the road. Because remember, the goal is getting paying customers. But why, Scott? Why not focus on making money now? That's a very good question, Scott. And the idea of minimizing profits is so that you can increase your sales volume. More units are going to get sold, which means more paying customers are joining your community. This payoff is a long-term strategy. So once Black Friday has cooled down and now you have hundreds of new customers on your list, you can promote other courses, other services, anything else. The next time you have a client spot open up in one of your highest priced services, you have a whole new audience of people to potentially fill that spot with. It's a short-term loss for a future long-tail gain. So when it comes to Black Friday pricing strategies, these are the two big mindsets. One is focused on maximizing your profits now, and the other is focused on increasing your customer base and making profits later. This first strategy involves bundling together products at a discounted price point that can be marketed with scarcity messaging, like "this deal won't last forever." For those looking into increasing their customer base, they should set their bundles to just above break-even costs and drive a lot more sales volume in the door. Choose the option that works best for your business and your business model, and go get them. I'm Scott Moran, the co-founder here at SamCart, the e-commerce platform for creators, and I'll see you guys in the next video.